Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Temu. Check out this small portable printer, a mini photo printer I got just for my daughter. She's so in love with it, guys. You could get one too if you log on and purchase. Also, check out this rollaway clutter. It's so cool, guys. A bookshelf with all the things that you might need. Look. Also, check out this 9-piece set packing cubes, lightweight travel, perfect for my daughter to go away on her spring break vacation, guys. I'm telling you, check it out. Shop hundreds of items for under $5. AfterPay, secure payment on Temu. Same products, cheaper on Temu, guys. Go ahead and check out these items that we have going on right now. These items are so cool. She is so in love with them, guys. I think you will love them too. They're so convenient to travel with. They come with 9 pieces. It's an organizer with shoe bag, toiletry bag, and laundry bag, guys. Go ahead and check it out. Click the link in our bio to get and receive a discount off. Use our code. Okay, guys, this is so cool. I'm so telling you, I love it so much. You guys have to also purchase it to get it too. Guys, Temu has the best products. Download the Temu app to get a $100 coupon bundle via the link, guys. Use code COM12684 at checkout. Also, I want you guys to check out the travel cosmetic bag. It's so cool to put all your toiletry in, all your cosmetic stuff, your makeup, your brushes, your hair stuff, anything that you need to travel with. Accessories can be portable with this travel cosmetic bag, guys. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this deal. Go on and click the link in our bio so you can use our discount code COM12684 and check out an extra 30% off for new app users, guys. Go ahead and check it out. See you soon.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Stovies Family Show. Today we have me, my dad, and my brother. Hold on. Before we start the video, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell because you do not miss any video. So today we're gonna be doing sour versus spicy. So the first thing, I think we should try the sour first.
Nah, I don't want to do sour first. I want to do spicy first.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, say, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, say, shoot. Spicy first. Okay, so we're going to put the sour over here.
So do you want to do? Oh, let's talk about what we're doing. We got the hot cheese popcorn,
and then we have the spicy noodles.
Okay, so which one you want to do first?
The popcorn.
Popcorn. All right. You ready?
Want to try one, Dion? Okay. Oh, you can take mine. Three,
Oh, God.
Three, two, 1.
You ran up camera to get his water. You want another one? Here, take another one. Here.
Let's go.
Take another one. No. One more.
Please? No, I want.
How is it? It's not bad. It's good, Dion. Here. It's a different one. Okay, yeah. Come in the chair. There you go.
It's good.
Alright, so what's next? What are we doing next?
The sour.
You want to do one sour, one spicy? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, which sour you want to open?
The blueberry freeze sour.
Did you tell them how you make it? That you made it and how you made it?
So, this is how I made it. First thing, I washed the blueberries so they have nothing dirty on it. I washed the blueberries. Then I put them in a bowl. And then I drain the water out. And then I add sour, lime, and then another lime. Next thing, I put the sugar in like a little plate, and then I got a blueberry. I rub it in like the sugar and then put it on a plate. And then I set it for 5 hours, and then when the timer went off, these are how it looks.
Nice. So shall we try it?
Yes. There you go.
Thank you.
Come down, you want one? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. You just going in. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yuck.
Wait, I forgot to tell you guys. If you make a sour face or a spicy face, you won't get the $100. If you don't, you get to get the $100. These are pretty good. Want another one, Leon? Take one another.
I love spicy.
I love sour.
Not too much sour.
Mommy. I like the little sugar.
Next we're doing the
sour picker warhead. When people do like this, first thing they always smell it, and they always drink the juice. Who does that? So Daddy is going to do it, and I am going to taste the little thing. What do we call it?
The juice.
The juice.
Smells good.
Want to smell it? Want to taste it? Three. I'm scared. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It's good.
You made a face? You made a face.
Well, for all of them. You want to taste it? No.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it.
Everybody get a piece. Here, Dion. Aubrey.
Thank you. Alright.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Like, we only have 5 chances. Good. I finished it. That's good.
Think sour to my eyes tearing. Another piece?
Yes, yes.
Dion, you tried yours?
He spit his out.
You don't want no more?
Yeah. This is how it looks. Alright, now let's 3, 2, 1. So good. I'll give this 10 out of 10. This is so good. But next thing, we're gonna try the noodles.
Matter of fact, let's cut a big piece.
I'm not trying it.
Let's cut a big piece.
Drink some water.
Recording? Alright, so I cut them in half and now the real challenge starts. Let's see if me or Aubrey could finish a whole side of a pickle without making a face.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
You got to, let's bite. Let's just keep biting. I clearly lost this challenge.
Okay, I had enough.
Last but not least is the spicy noodles.
Yep.
I thought you didn't try.
I hate you.
No, you don't use it.
Okay. 3. 3, 2, 1. This is good.
That was really good. Gotta buy that one. That one is regular. How it taste, Dion?
Go.
Good? Or how was it?
10 out of 10.
2 out of 10? Yeah.
I give that sour pickle a 0 out of 10 because
It was too sour.
yes.
It was a Warhead extreme sour pickle. Like, who does that? Who mixes the two? A Warhead? Well, Warheads is before Aubrey time, but if y'all remember back in the day, Warheads were super, super sour candies.
Double. Yeah,
Damn, y'all munching. They are mouths.
So what a challenge, guys.
Do we even have to ask this question? I want a challenge.
You?
Yeah.
You gave up on the pickle.
Nah, I always win the challenge. I ain't give up. You thought I gave up. I always win the challenge.
Oh, please. I think Dion won.
Psych. Dion lost on the popcorn. Now, the winner of the challenge, of course, it's your girl, Aubrey.
I'm gonna go buy me some more shoes. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you not miss any video. Bye guys. Have a good day.